Okay, so I am a ninja girl through and through, and previously I had another air fryer, which will go unnamed, but I decided to get this Ninja. Now it has a lot less features than this other air fryer that I have, and but I absolutely love this. So what I usually put some aluminum foil on the bottom. What I have right here is just some red potatoes cut and seasoned, and a bit of olive oil. I'm gonna cut it on. Start. It basically tells you, well, right there, clear cut, 350, no, 390, because they're not frozen, 2025. So one of the things I don't like is, like, the other air fryer I had was a lot more settings and definitions. And also I keep aluminum foil on the bottom because the last air fryer was like gross to me. So, but all in all, it's basic, it works for me, and I really like it. I'm a Ninja fan. So I'll show you when it's done. But yeah, Ninja air fryer.
So here's the deal. This is my Ninja air fryer. As you can see, it is a small size. It does take up a good amount of counter space. And the tray itself, the basket that it cooks in, about the size of my hand. So this is really good if you're making like single servings. It can't cook a lot. I don't have the insert like the tray, because one thing about the tray is it loses its top layer really quickly, so I've had to replace the tray a couple of times, and right now I'm just cooking without the tray. But again, it works well. It doesn't take up too much space, although it is, it is kind of big, but it's not a huge size. And like we said, the basket itself is a small, circumference, a small size, but it's perfect if you're trying to just make meals for yourself or like 1 to 2 people.
Now that they're finished,